Hey guys, welcome to the Calligraphy Academy. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a new kind of tool, the embossing pen from Ranger. So the first step obviously is to scribe whatever you would like to emboss. For today's video, I'm going to go simple and simply scribe one name in the modern calligraphy script. So once you write your word, then you're going to go ahead, grab your powder of choice and simply sprinkle it over your writing. After a few seconds, go ahead and dump the powder at a place where you can reuse it. Now comes the fun part. Grab your heat tool and start with the first letter. So how cute and fun is this? This tool is super simple to use, it's not very complicated, and you have a large variety of colors that you can play around with. So go ahead, have fun, and let's see what you create. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Thank you.